In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot for managing your social media efforts, a handy tool for any business looking to streamline its marketing strategies. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily navigate through HubSpot to elevate your social media game. First things first, you need to head over to the HubSpot website, which is the starting point for all things HubSpot. Once you're on their homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with their offerings if you're new, but for the purpose of today's lesson, we'll focus on logging in. When you're ready, click on the Login button. This will take you straight to the login interface. Here, simply enter your credentials to access your HubSpot dashboard and all of its features. If you don't have an account, you might want to consider signing up to take full advantage of their tools. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home, your central hub for navigating the platform. It's a good idea to spend a little time getting acquainted with this area, as it houses valuable insights and tools for optimizing your business activities. For now, we're focusing on the social media aspects. Navigate to the marketing section located on the main dashboard. A simple click will expand this menu, revealing a variety of marketing resources HubSpot offers. Among these resources, locate and click on Social. This is your gateway to the social media dimension of HubSpot. Moving forward, you'll see an option to create social posts. This tool is designed to help craft, schedule, and manage all your social media content from one centralized location. It's incredibly useful if you're juggling multiple platforms or campaigns. Before creating a post, ensure that your social media accounts are connected to HubSpot. This is as straightforward as clicking Connect Account. You'll be prompted to authenticate and give HubSpot access to your social media profiles, so it can publish content on your behalf. Remember to spend a little time reviewing and customizing the settings of each connected account. This ensures that your posts align with not just HubSpot's parameters, but also with your brand's voice and strategy. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to leverage HubSpot for managing your social media campaigns more efficiently. Each part of this process is designed to minimize the hassle while maximizing the reach and impact of your content through social channels. Thank you for joining today's session. We trust you'll find these tools invaluable for your marketing endeavors. Don't forget to explore other features HubSpot offers and stay tuned for more insightful sessions. Until next time, happy posting.